You ever feel like you've been riding the struggle bus so long that you know all the stops by heart? You wake up, check your bank account, and it's like, oh, cool, I can either pay this bill or buy groceries. Guess I'll just chew on some air today. The struggle bus is that never ending ride where money feels tight, progress feels impossible, and every time you think you're about to get ahead, life hits you with a flat tire. But here's the thing, just because you've boarded the struggle bus doesn't mean you have to stay on it. Today, I want to talk about this financial rut so many of us know all too well and share 5 ways you can start getting off the struggle bus. Number one, identify your bus route. The first step is realizing what route you're even on. Are you stuck because of too much debt, overspending, not enough income, or maybe it's a mix of all three? You can't exit a bus if you don't even know where it's going. Sit down, look at your numbers honestly, income in, expenses out, and figure out what's driving your struggle. Two, cut the dead weight. Every bus has that one passenger who takes up 2 seats and makes life harder for everybody else. In your finances, that passenger is unnecessary spending. Subscription services you forgot about, eating out when you could meal prep, impulse Target runs. Cutting even $50 to $100 of dead weight a month is like finally being able to breathe on the bus. 3. Find a side door, aka new income. Sometimes you can't just sit quietly on the bus hoping it'll get better. You've got to find the side door and sneak out. That's where side hustles, freelancing, or selling unused stuff comes in. Even small amounts matter. An extra $200 a month can be the difference between struggling and starting to save. Number 4, build your emergency exit fund. Every bus has an emergency exit, and so should your finances. That's your emergency savings. Even if you start with $10 or $20 a week, over time it gives you a way out when the bus breaks down. Without it, every flat tire feels like a full on disaster. With it, you've got a cushion that keeps the ride smoother. Number 5, change drivers. That means a mindset shift. Here's the big one. Sometimes the driver of the struggle bus is you, and I say that with love. Your mindset matters. If you're always thinking, I'm broke, I can't get ahead, money just disappears, guess what? You're reinforcing the struggle. Shift your thinking to, I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm moving forward one stop at a time. That's how you change drivers. Humor helps here too, because if you can laugh about it, you're already taking back some power. So here's the takeaway. The struggle bus is real, and a lot of us have ridden it longer than we'd like to admit. But you don't have to live there. Identify your route, cut the dead weight, find a side door, build your emergency exit, and most importantly, change drivers. And remember, even if you're still on the bus today, the fact that you're looking for solutions means you've already moved closer to your stop. This is the right place for you to make the changes you are looking for. Check out the resources here for you. You're not stuck forever. You're just in transit, and eventually you will get off.